What's up, Lunar Bikes? How to replace your old rear derailleur on a new type, and what do you need to make it correctly? So the first step is unassembly and demontage old derailleur. I demontage also wheel. Disconnect the chain to apply new derailleur. So now important thing, I montage new derailleur with a hook adapter for all these frames without hook with thread. And now I can assemble it into the frame. Prepare an apply line. Okay, it's in the frame. Now I need only reconnect chain and it's ready. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, bye bye.